Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Microsoft Teams channel on Elementor form submission. So let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Elementor. Now I want that whenever someone submits the form, my team should be automatically notified about this new form submission on Microsoft Teams channel. I completely want to automate this process, and to do this I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Elementor and Microsoft Teams. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take Elementor, from where I will receive new form submission, and then in my action application I am going to take Microsoft Teams, where the message will be sent as soon as the new form submission will be made. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Microsoft Teams on Elementor form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Elementor and Microsoft Teams with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and then I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to notify team on Microsoft Teams channel on Elementor form submission. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify my team on Microsoft Teams channel on Elementor form submission, which means whenever I will receive a new form submission, my team will be automatically notified on Microsoft Teams channel, which means whenever I will receive a new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens, means whenever a form submission happens, and action says do this, notify my team on Microsoft Teams channel. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Elementor, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take new form submission, because whenever a new form submission will happen, this event will trigger the workflow. Now I need to make connection between Elementor and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Elementor with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection. And to make this connection, let me take you to my WordPress. So here this is my WordPress dashboard, and Elementor is a plugin of WordPress. So I have already installed that here, and now I am going to click on this pages, and then I have to click on this all pages. So here I can see all the forms that have been created with the help of Elementor, and here I am going to use a form by the name. So here this is my form, and I am going to use this contact us form in this workflow. So here I am going to click on this edit with Elementor, and here my contact us form has opened. It has first name, last name, email and phone. Now to add the webhook URL, I am going to click on any of these fields, and as soon as I do that, I can see all the options over here in the left hand side, and if I scroll down I can see this webhooks option. So I will open this, remove the previous webhook URL, go to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Now as soon as I do that, I have to click on this update. So here I have updated my form and added the webhook URL. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to fill a form, and for that I need to go back to my contact us form, and over here I can see this view option. So I will click on this. So here my form has appeared in front of me, and now I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So here my first name is Stu, last name is user, email address is new389@pablitudes.com, and the mobile number is this. Now after adding all the details, I have to click on this submit, and your submission was successful. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received the response that I have filled in this form there or not. So here I can see I have instantly received the response. The first name was new, last name was user, email address was new389@pablitudes.com, and the mobile number is this. So as soon as I have submitted my form, I have received the response in my Pabbly Connect, which shows us that the connection that we have created between Elementor and Pabbly Connect is successful with the help of this webhook URL. And now whenever someone will submit the form, I will start receiving that data in my Pabbly Connect. Now whenever I receive the response in Pabbly Connect, or whenever someone fills the form, I want to notify my team on Microsoft Teams. So here in my action application, I am going to take Microsoft Teams, and then in the action event I am going to take this send message in a channel. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Microsoft Teams. Over here I have already logged in my Microsoft Teams account, and now I just need to give away some permission, for which I am going to click on this accept, and authorization successful. So Microsoft Teams is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is team and the channel, and to enter this, let me take you to my Microsoft Teams account. So here this is my Teams account, and on the left hand side I can see all these channels and the teams. Here I have created a team by the name Pabbly Connect, and under this team I have created a channel by the name Digital Marketing 2. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this team drop down I can see this Pabbly Connect team that I have created. So I will select that, and here in the channel I can see all the channels that have been created under the team Pabbly Connect. So here the name of my channel was Digital Marketing 2, and I want to send channel message in this channel. So I have selected that. Now I need to enter the message that I want to send to my team. So over here I will write hello team. So here I have added my message, hello team, we have received new lead. Here are the details, first name, last name, email, phone, please follow up ASAP, thanks, regards. Now I need to add value to these fields, which is first name, last name, email and phone. And as soon as I click over here, I can see the Elementor form response, and when I click on this I can see all the responses that I have received from there. So the first name was new, and then the last name was user, and then the email address was new389@pablitudes.com, and then the phone number was this. So instead of manually entering the details, I clicked on the responses and mapped the details. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. Now I need to open my Teams channel and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I can see I have instantly received the message. Hello team, we have received new lead. Here are the details. The first name was new, last name was user, email address was new389@pablitudes.com, and the phone number was this. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my Elementor form again and fill some other form with other details. So here I have added other details. The first name this time is latest, last name is user, email address is latest@pablitudes.com, and the mobile number is this. Now I'm going to click on this submit, and your submission was successful. Now this detail should be added and received by my team in Microsoft Teams channel. So let's open my channel, and here I can see I have instantly received the message. The first name this time was latest, last name was user, email address was latest@pablitudes.com, and the phone number was this. Now to summarize, we took Elementor form as a trigger application where we made connection of Pabbly Connect and Elementor with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a form and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we took Microsoft Teams as our action application. We entered the team and the channel in which we want to send this message. We drafted the message in a format that we want to share with the team. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response in my Microsoft Teams channel. So we have successfully created automation between Elementor and Microsoft Teams with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.